Mastering English. Summarizing main points made easy. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to enhance our English language learning by focusing on listening for specific information and identifying relevant information. The specific skill we'll tackle today is how to summarize the main points. So, let's get started. Summarization is a powerful strategy used to extract key ideas from what we hear or read. When listening to English, it allows you to distill complex information into more manageable chunks. The goal of summarizing is to grasp and remember the essence of what's being said, not every single detail. Summarizing main points is essential for several reasons. It helps you 1. Identify key ideas, the most important points in a conversation or speech. 2. Improve comprehension. Understanding the central ideas makes the rest of the content more meaningful. 3. Retain information. Summarizing helps in recalling the details later on. Developing your summarization skills requires practice. Here are some steps you can follow. 1. Listen carefully. Pay close attention to what's being said. Listen for the speaker's main arguments, ideas, or points. 2. Identify key points. These are the core ideas that the speaker repeats or emphasizes. 3. Note the details. These include supporting evidence, explanations, or examples. However, keep your notes brief and focused on the main points. 4. Write a summary. Using your own words, write a short summary that encapsulates the main ideas and relevant details. 5. Review and revise. Check your summary against the original content. Did you capture the main points? Revise if necessary. The more you practice, the better you become. Start with shorter audio clips, then gradually move on to longer speeches or conversations. Always remember, summarizing is not about remembering every detail, but understanding and retaining the core ideas. And that's a wrap for today's topic, summarizing main points. We hope this guide will help you in developing your note-taking skills, improving your English listening comprehension, and making your language learning journey more rewarding. Keep practicing, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to mastering the English language. Happy learning!